Within HubSpot, there are three different ways to look at an object. The first, and what you see here, is what's called a view. You can tell here, save view, is what we're looking at. It's a view. Basically, what this is it's a way to visualize all of the objects that you have within the particular page. So here I'm looking at all of the deals that I have within this view. I can edit my view and adjust what of the deals that I'm actually looking at. This also holds true for contacts as well as companies. The other type of visualization that you have within HubSpot is a preview. You can access that by selecting one of the objects displayed on your view, and you'll see a little sidebar pops open, and this will allow you to preview the deal that I've opened up here. It gives me basically a highlight of the most important pieces of the object that I'm looking at here. So I can see the about, I can see the amount, I can see the close date, what stage it's in, as well as any associations that it has, as well as line items in this particular case for a deal. And I can actually edit all of this directly from the preview itself. This way, if you need to just quickly change something, you don't need to go into the full record. You can actually just edit it directly from the preview on the sidebar here. That then brings me to the final way to visualize something, which is the actual record itself. This is basically the full visualization of the object. So in this case, we have the record for the deal. And here's where I have basically everything related to this one particular deal. I can see the about this deal, a lot of the same information that I had in my preview, but you'll see it's also expanded now to include notes, emails, calls, tasks, as well as all of the associations here. And I can actually get a list of all of the activities. I can see all of the emails. So it's basically just a more detailed version of the preview there. And it's related to only one particular record rather than being basically a list of everything like you would get with a view.